What's up guys, Iaan Family here, and today's video is going to be about some problems that I've had in Korea. I know, it's a great place, but sometimes bad stuff happens. Or not really bad, more like
inconveniences.
So the first problem we're going to get into involves my car, and this seems to happen like every week.
Alright, so this is an intersection near my home, and I want you to watch the cars in the right-hand lane. Especially this white car. Okay, so now it's blocked traffic and the cars behind it are honking. Now let's go to the same situation with another car. Cars still honk, but you'll notice they moved to the side. But now look where the car is at. It's parked in the middle of the crosswalk, cutting off the other cars in the left-hand lane. Let's dissect this problem that I'm trying to explain here. When you get to an intersection in Korea, if you are in the right-hand lane, you can go straight or you can turn right. But a lot of times when I'm in that lane going straight, the car behind me will honk at me.
So I talked to a Korean expert in the automobile industry.
Expert.
Here's what he had to say.
그리고 이런 상황도 있어. 여기 차 있고 이 사람 매너 지키기 위해서 이렇게 양보했는데 이 사람 또 여기가 그냥 이 차 우회전 못해. 매너 지키지만 이 사람도 직진 가야 돼. 그럼 이 차 여기 나오면 좌회전 못해. 그래서 빵빵. 싸워.
Okay, so now that you've seen my dilemma, what do you think? I've got a car behind me honking, I've got a car next to me who's just chilling, and I've got an open lane on the right where I can turn.
I don't know what to do.
I can stay, make this guy angry, and then I feel like a piece of... So my question to the audience here, to you the viewer, is when you're in this situation, what do you do? Do you stay in your lane? Do you get out of the way? Or do you take a right and go the wrong way?